Te Hao Ako follows a previous publication from 2013, and it's really about capturing the narratives, the lived experiences of our Ako Wānanga practitioners in the now, in this time.
Ko te ngako, established to grow environment of rangahau within Te Wānanga o Aotearoa. So me mihi ki ngā te tūāpapa ki a Rongomā, ki a Te Iwi Kōhuru, nā rātou te kaupapa I ara ake whā te kaumā tahi tau ki muri.
We're really good at sharing stories, pūrākau, but it's not often captured. And sometimes, we like to embellish a bit, so the kōrero kind of changes. So I think making sure that we're capturing the voice here and now so that it's not diluted later on, making sure that we're breathing that life back into the kaupapa for our future generations to come.